Good evening, all my ghouls and goblins. Don't mind me, I'm just lighting the black candle from Ipsy, and I'm here to remind you that you are magic. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's spooky scary season. I'm so excited to show you this month's Ipsy. I have filmed a beautiful vampy tutorial for you guys. This month feature really adorable bags. I have both the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. I absolutely loved the design. Very on point for the season. If your aesthetic is Halloween all year round, then you guys are probably super excited about these bags this month. If you subscribed to the Ipsy Glam Bag, you got this bag, and if you have the Ipsy Plus, you get this bag. And you can put anything in it. I use these to travel with. They're amazing. Now this look features mainly the products that I received from the subscriptions, and the one thing that I love about Ipsy as a whole is that you get to discover so many new brands and try tried and true favorites from those brands as well. When you sign up for Ipsy, you fill out a beauty profile and your products are catered to your needs. Also, many of the items are on trend and products that are perfect for that current season. And of course, you get the bags with it, which is one of the most amazing parts of Ipsy. So I filmed this tutorial and I can't wait to show you guys how I did this look. So let's start.
So let's get spooky with Ipsy. I'm going to be featuring products that I received complimentary in the Ipsy Glam Bag as well as the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to be featuring every item I received, starting with Filorga Oxygen Glow Eyes. This is a super moisturizing, radiant eye cream that absorbed super quickly into the skin and just made my under eye area look super hydrated, reduced the look of fine lines, and even my dark circles. I followed up with the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. This is an advanced strength retinoid serum which delivers a 6.5 power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. I'm applying it with a citrine roller just to get maximum benefits. I love the massaging of the face when I apply any product, plus this helps the face look less puffy. The Sunday Riley product came in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For the eye look, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I was super excited when I saw this palette was in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a long-time favorite of mine and a brand that I absolutely adore. This product was super on trend with deep maroons, burgundies, and even a few mauve neutrals. It's very easy to work with, blends effortlessly, and I'm using it here today to do a cut crease look. I'm starting off by layering a deeper shade into the crease and then blending it out with a fluffy blender brush. I'm applying and blending it both upward towards the brow bone and into the lid. I'm going back in with one of the lighter shades and I'm applying this to the lid. Now I have hooded eyelids, so anything that opens up my eyes and makes them look a little bit wider is best. So I'm doing a smoky look, but I'm making sure to pay attention to my lid and really defining it with this lighter shade. And it's also going to prep the lid for the look that I'm going to do, which is a cut crease. So now I'm moistening my brush with just a little bit of all-nighter that I already had from Urban Decay, and I'm going in with the shimmery shade in the upper right corner, and as you can see, I'm cutting my crease just with the shade Moist. These shades are so amazing and so pigmented that you don't even need to use a cream concealer or any concealer on the lid to get that cut crease look. Not only does it cut out a step, but when I apply cream concealer to do a cut crease, though I'm able to do it, it sometimes gets messy and migrates and moves to places I don't want it to go, but using the wet brush technique avoids that. Now I'm using a little bit of a darker shade to define the outer V and blending that out with a fluffy blender brush. This helps to really smoke out the eye look. I'm also applying a little bit of that darker shade underneath the lower lash line and blending it out with my finger, and then I'm going in with the one shade lighter into my waterline. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild. This was not included in the subscription. This is the 16-hour liquid liner. It's a new liner I tried. I added it in just because it's super affordable and I thought it really helped to make the look pop even just a little bit more. For mascara, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. This is perfect for smokier eye looks and really helps to define and lengthen lashes while also making them look thicker. I received this in the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now we're going to move on to the face, and we're using the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. This was also in the Ipsy Glam Bag, and this gave my face an overall matte look. I have combination skin, and I really felt that this helped to control the oil and shine in my T-zone. It also overall mattified my face and helped to reduce the look of redness as well. It was very easy to apply and felt incredibly lightweight. For my foundation, I'm going with a foundation stick, and this is from Juvia's Place. This is in the shade Panama, and I'm applying it all over the face and then blending it out. I'm using the same brush that I blended out the primer with, because I feel like when you use a stick foundation, using a moist brush or a wet brush, especially if it has primer on it already, helps to really spread out and blend out any foundations. Once again, I'm using the Huda palette, and I'm going in with that light shade that I used all over the lid to prep the lid. I'm using that under my brow to just add a little bit more brightness to the eye look, because even though I'm having a smoky eye look, I want to keep my eyes looking wider. I want an all-day matte look, so I'm applying the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I received this in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a loose translucent setting powder, and not only can you bake with this, but you can also apply it directly to any powders or over foundation to set it to a matte finish. I love that this didn't make my foundation feel cakey and didn't give me any flashback or white cast. One of the most exciting things about having an Ipsy subscription is trying products from brands you may not have tried before. I'm trying the Illuminati Quad Palette in the shade Enlightened. I'm using this as a face palette, though it is intended for the eyes. The gold tone I thought would make a perfect highlight. I'm blending these out with brushes from Firma as well as LaRousse. Now for my blush, I'm using the soft corally nude shade, and I'm using this all over the cheek. I love how soft these brushes feel, and they really blend out perfectly. Now I'm doing something a little bit different, and I'm applying a hair product. This is the Briogeo Febrile Freeze. It's a Roscoe Milk leave-in conditioning spray, which helps to moisturize hair, which is super important during the fall month. After spraying, I use my fingers to distribute it evenly through my hair. I received this in the Ipsy Glam Bag. To complete this look, I'm using a lip product from Cheekbone Beauty. This was not in the subscription this month, but I did want to complete the look with it, and this is in the shade Roseanne, which is a beautiful grayish deep shade that I feel complemented the overall look. Cheekbone Beauty is a female indigenous-owned beauty brand, which I'll have lots more information on in a future video. The products that I received in the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus were perfectly on trend for this season and really allowed me to get creative and create a fall look. There were definitely products in here that I've tried before, but there was also so many that I had just discovered. And remember guys, you are magic, you're amazing, and happy October. I loved being able to create this look and try new brands in the process. Thank you so much Ipsy for sending me these products and allowing me to create this glam fall vampy look. Now this vampy girl needs to get her beauty sleep. See you in the morning.
So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you would like to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave a link in the info section below. And if you want any additional information on the products shown in the tutorial, check the info section as well. Full disclosure, I did receive both Glam Bag and complimentary through Ipsy, and all opinions are 100% my own. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave me some comments. If you're on Instagram, check me out at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle, and at Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. You can also head over to my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.